In this video, we will learn how to unzip file. So let's start. This is my zip file. So you can see here. So I just simply right click on the mouse and click on the extract file options. When you click on this option, the file is unzipped on the same location. I just click on it and click on OK, and you can see the file is unzipped on same location. If you want file in unzip on different location, you can do it. So just simply right click again and click on the same option, the extract files. Then here you can select the location. So I select here in documents. Okay, I just click on this plus sign and you can see in documents these are the some folder. So you can create the new folder. First click on the documents, then click on the new folder, and here you can enter the name of this folder. So I simply add png. Okay, and I select the folder, and after that I just click on the OK. Now just go to the documents and you can see the png folder is created, and here the all png files is unzipped. Okay, see these are the all png files. Okay, so I again go to the downloads folder. So this is a way you can unzip the folder. And third way, just right click on the mouse again and extract here. When you click on the extract here, you can see the all file is extracted here. Okay, those are in available in zip folder, zip files. Okay, so this is a different way you can unzip the files. So hope you understand. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.